Hey everybody, I'm Jim with kittycot.com. A lot of people wonder, how do you put the suction cups in on the back of the Kitty Cot frame? I got a brand new Kitty Cot here. I'm going to open it up. This is how you get it. This is a large one. First of all, rip it open. Take it out of the plastic. Set your plastic aside. Here's your Kitty Cot. Here's your suction cups. And basically what you do, open up your Kitty Cot and note there's instructions in this little packet, but they're upside down so that the print on the instruction sheet doesn't transfer over to the suction cup. So I put this in facing down, and then I put the suction cups in on top of that instruction sheet. The instruction sheet basically tells you what to do, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Take out your suction cups. You get 4 of them. You get 2 of these guys right here, and I call these the large suction cups with top and side holes because they have a side hole and a top hole. These go in the back of the frame. These actually just get clipped on to the front wires. So basically what you're going to do is you can see that the suction cup goes in here. It's loose, okay? But as you go in, it actually goes in with a slight twist and it seats all the way. Okay? See that? Same with the other side. It basically sits in there. It's loose, okay? But you just hold on to it here and you twist it and you push it in. And it seats all the way. That's how you do it. It's not that hard. See? You can even smush it up a little bit and twist it in place. And there it is.